Okay, according to the plan here, we need 5 boards, 8 footers, all sliced up into 19.5-inch pieces. So let's go ahead and do that first. Here's all our parts. I got 24 of these. I've got 4 of these, 4 of these. Okay, let's do this. That's our project for today. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button down below if you like it. Hit the like button. It helps the algorithm push it out to more people.